so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I have something really fun for us to draw together today. Let's draw a castle. There's a lot of rectangles on this one, so first let's draw a sideways rectangle like that. There we go. And then a rectangle, a really tall one right in the middle. And then a shorter one on this side. Whoa, look at that. And then a shorter one on this side right here. Whoa, and then we can draw a nice triangle right up top on all three of these. Whoa, it's starting to look like a castle, right? Oh, and you can't forget about the drawbridge. There we go. Whoa, and then let's draw a little flag up top. Whoa, there we go. Cool, and let's draw some windows right there. Whoa, do you like that castle? I do too. I would love to live in a castle. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. I think we should draw something together. A big machine that puts out fires. And most of the time, it's the color red. Yeah, a fire truck. Let's draw this. All right, first there's gonna be a rectangle up front for the cab. Whoa, and then, whoa, a sideways rectangle. Yeah, and that's where all the tools are. Ooh, and up here, yeah, we can draw another rectangle with a bunch of lines on it. Yeah, do you know what that is? Yeah, the ladder. And you can't forget about the wheels and tires. There we go. Oh, and a window for the cab. Whoa, and then circle. A circle, a circle, a circle. Yeah, it looks like a spiral. And that is the hose and the sprayer. Yeah, can't forget about the half circle up there for the siren. Wow, now that's a great looking fire truck. If you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Woo, woo, woo. Oh, hey, it's me, Blippi, and I'm really tired. Wait a second. Why don't we draw a bed together? That sounds like fun. Yeah, I love going to bed because I have sweet, nice dreams. All right, let's draw a blue bed. All right, first, let's start to draw a big rectangle. Yeah, and I'm gonna make a little gap right there, and I'll show you why. You see that? But first, we need some pillows. Yeah, you need to have something to lay your head on, and these pillows are rectangles. Yeah, just like that. And watch this trick. Whoa! Looks like when you go like this, yeah, it looks like those are the blankies. But if you do a little line like that, and then match that squiggle, now it looks like you folded back the covers and made your bed. Whoa! Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah! B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you ever wanted to be an astronaut and go into outer space? Yeah, me too. Maybe you and I should draw a rocket ship together. Well, let's use the color purple. Yeah, rocket ships are how astronauts get into outer space. So let's draw a point right up top. Looks like the start of a triangle, right? And then these two lines go straight down. And if you connected right there and right there, which we won't, that would be a rectangle. Instead, we're gonna draw a circle for the porthole. All right, let's draw a really small rectangle down here. There we go. And then we need some fins. Yeah, a couple straight lines just like that. Whoa, this rocket looks fast, doesn't it? And then a straight line right there to make another rectangle. Ooh, some dots. Yeah, for some bolts, so it stays all connected. And then some flames. Yeah! Whoa! Wasn't that so much fun? Whoa! Wow! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And you know what we're drawing today? Yeah, a bulldozer. Yeah, I love bulldozers. They're so big and heavy, and they push with that front blade anything and everything out of its way. All right, let's use the color orange. A lot of pieces of construction vehicles, yeah, are the color orange. All right, so let's draw a line right here, a 90-degree angle. Whoa, and then another line, and down. Whoa, what does that look like? Yeah, looks like a backwards L. This is where the engine is, and that's where the operator sits. You need to give them a square for a window so then they can see. And then, does a bulldozer have wheels and tires or tracks? Yeah, tracks. So let's draw a very, very big oval. Wow, there we go. Yeah, and then we need to draw the blade. Whoa, kind of looks like a moon, doesn't it? And then we need to connect that just like that. And now that looks like a bulldozer, but you can't forget about the ripper. Whoa, cool. Well, if you love drawing with me and you want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to draw something else together? Me too. I think we should draw a hedgehog. All right, I'm gonna take this black marker and draw a diagonal line. Yeah, which is a line on an angle. And then I'm gonna start to draw a circle. Yeah, but I'm gonna stop just like that. And I'm gonna go to the top of the diagonal line, go straight down, and then loop and make a really long L, just like that. And that's the body. But before I go, I'm gonna start to make the circle and color it in, and that is the nose right there. They can smell really well. And then another circle, and that's the eye. And then a big smile, because they're all so happy. And then we need some U's, just like that, for the legs. Whoa! And then we're gonna do some upside down V's. Whoa! For the pokies. Whoa! Wow, there we go. Cute animal. Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I think we should draw a panda together. Since pandas are black and white, and the paper is white, I'm gonna grab a black marker and I'm gonna draw a circle for the head. Whoa! And then a circle for the body. Kind of like that, yeah. And then an arched line up there and another one. Yeah, for the ears. And then a leg down here, which is a curved line. Ooh, and another leg down there. Ooh, and you can't forget about the arms. They're gonna go inside like sideways U's. Whoa! And then we're gonna draw some eyes, which are black circles. Oh, a cute nose and a smiley face. All right, now we get to color them in. Here we go. All right, there's one arm. Color that one in. Perfect. And then a leg, another leg. And you can't forget about the ears. Wow, if you like pandas and love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!